Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about capital letters and full stops in English. So when do you need to use capital letters? Well, you need to use capital letters at the start of every sentence you write. Every sentence needs to start with a capital letter. So here you can see I've got a sentence and it starts with a capital A. You also need to use capital letters for names of people, places and companies, so proper nouns. So for example, Ahmed needs a capital letter because it's a name, England because it's the name of a country, London because it's the name of a city, Central University because it's the name of a university, and Coca-Cola because it's the name of a company. And if we look on the map here, we can see where people have used capital letters. So you can see New York has capital letters. Also, the roads do too. So street, Water Street, Canal Street, they all have capital letters at the start. The other time you need to use capital letters is when you're using the letter I on its own. So my friend and I went to the cinema yesterday. I would use an I as a capital letter in that sentence. Another reason is for titles. So when you write a title on your work, so for example, if you're writing some notes today while you're watching, you could write the title as capital letters and full stops. And there, all the main words need capital letters. So as you can see, all the main words have capital letters, but the and or any small joining words, they do not need capital letters. Another time you need to use capital letters is for titles before people's names. So, Mr, Mrs, Ms, Miss, all of these need capital letters. Then you also need to use capital letters for languages and nationalities. So you might have a capital letter for Arabic, Pashto, French, German, English, all of these need capital letters. And then finally, acronyms. So acronyms are where we've got several words and we need to shorten them. So here we've got the BBC, which stands for British Broadcasting Corporation, or the UAE, which stands for United Arab Emirates. These are acronyms, and for these we always use capital letters. So next one, very simple. When do you use full stops? And this is really easy. We use a full stop in English at the end of a sentence. So here's an example. I go shopping on Fridays, full stop. I have a capital letter at the start and a full stop at the end. Okay, so what can you do now to practice this? Well, firstly, you could watch the video again. You could watch it over and over again. You could stop the video when you need to, and you could take notes. You could write down the key points. You could copy some of the sentences. You could also write some sentences of your own using capital letters and full stops as examples. You could also find a text, maybe from a newspaper or a magazine, and you could get a highlighter, or you could circle the capital letters and full stops in the text. And then finally, a good way to make learning stick is to test yourself. Maybe complete some online exercises or a quiz. You could search for this on the internet, or if you're a member of one of my classes or I'm teaching you, then do ask me and I'll have some further work for you to do. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope this has been useful. I look forward to seeing you again. Bye!